channel. So today me and Stuntman Mike went out and run a couple quarter-mile runs. This will actually be the first time I run the quarter-mile with this car with a set of drag radials. And I actually set the best time I've ever had with this car. And that's without, the drag radials didn't really hook up perfectly, but they hooked up good enough. And so the plan is, if the weather holds out, I want to get the underdrive pulley on and then try another run to see if the underdrive pulley helps the car any. But anyway, I was happy. I actually had an ET set in mind that I wanted to get this summer, and I actually got it today, and that was without the underdrive pulley or the gears. And as far as the gears go, I'm going to wait and put the gears in next year. Reason being, I think to get the most potential out of the gears, I need to rev the car higher. And right now, I'm pretty much limited to 6,000 RPM just because I max out the injectors. So the plan for next year is to get a bigger set of injectors, put the gears in, and instead of, right now the car is shifting at 6,000 RPM, I want to take it up to about 6,400. But anyway, guys, hope you enjoy the video, and we'll catch you in the next one.